Hello guys, hello, welcome to the session. So guys, let's start to the session and don't waste our time because time is money and I don't like to waste my money and I don't like you waste your money. So guys, let's start to the topic. And first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Jack and I'm your dedicated trading teacher with the Empower experience. I will bring you real time market analyze, insight, and strategies that will be sharpen your trading skill. My goal is to provide you with the knowledge and the confidence to succeed in the fast-paced trading environment. So this is my introduction, and this is disclaimer. Do you mean disclaimer? Disclaimer, I mean just a warning. Be- So guys, let's start to the session. And first of all, I'm telling you a story. Before start to the session, I'm telling you a story. So listen carefully because this story is so motivational and so important for your trading platform. So guys, let us move to the session. But before start session, I will tell you a story, a real story. Before I move on with the video, I would like to tell you a story via a short time. So let me tell you the story first. Then we move on the our main topic. So this story is Ramesh Damani. Ramesh Damani is an investment guru who is also one of the most successful stock trader in the market. He started trading in 1919 when Sensex was only 600 points. He was a member of Bombay Stock Exchange back in 1989 and intellectually thought that he was going to pursue his career as a stock broker, but then decided he became to stock trade after winning some trades. The first famous investment trader Ramesh made was the influence coming from a teach backward in the US. He understood well that the investment would be huge. So when inflows became public in 1993, he immediately invested Rs 10 lakh in it. 6 years later, the investment has given up return of more than 100 times. Yeah, it means this man is so clever and so intelligent. Do you understand? Inspiring as he is, Ramesh believes that everyone should make a clear exit strategy before investing in an unpredictable market. He strongly believes that if you have read a stock carefully, studies and arrange a good trading strategy, then there a highly chance that you will make good in the market. So guys, this is our story, over to the session story. So guys, let's move to the main topic, to the main session. So today we are going to discuss some stocks and its financial news and what happening with them in the present and future. And we are going to talk about some basic deep financial issues and will tell you some shocking news that impact on directly on the stock market, and they suggest the stock forecast. So listen carefully, be attention, be active, and watch carefully and listen carefully. So let's have a start. So first of all, we discuss on first stock, and we are first stock is Wipro. Yeah, Wipro is most famous stock of India stock market. So today we discuss this stock or company that is Wipro. First we describe the overview of the company and then we carefully all the details and carefully clarify all the deep things of this company. So let's have a look. First of all, I'm elaborate with you the overview of Wipro. Wipro Limited is a global provider of information technology, consulting and business process service. Its IT service, IT product, and India state-run enterprise service are the three business segment through which it operates. Then IT service business unit provide business with the range of IT and IT enabled service such as digital strategy, advisory, customer design, technology, and IT consulting, custom application design, development, re-engineering, and maintenance system, integration package implementation could add introductions, business process could mobility and analytic research and development, and hardware and software design services. It provides service to clients in a number of different industries, include healthcare and medical devices, consumer goods and life sciences, retail, transportation and services, communication, media and information services, technology platform and product, banking, financial service and insurance, manufacturing, high-tech energy and utilized. So this is the overview of Wipro. Yeah, this is the overview of Wipro. So let's have a next. And what is next? So next is, this is the company overview report chart. Yeah, company overview, previous overview report chart. According to this chart, company market cap is 217,765.44 crore. PE is 22.81. DIV, it means dividend yields to 0.25%. Debit 5,180, 17 crore. Sale growth 13.73%. Profit growth minus 24.38%. Value is 419.14 crore. PB is 4.13. Book value is 1001.13. Promoters holding 72.92%. ROE 15.82. Number of shares 521.97 crore. Face value only 2. Cash 4,527 crore. EPS 18.29. ROCE 19.85. So this is the company overall report chart. So next, what is next? Next is company summary. This is company summary. In the summary, we can see that the only two main things, three main things, and this is market cap, net income, and revenue. So this is market cap. Do you understand? This white line is market cap, and net income is this blue line. This blue line is net income, and revenue is green. Revenue is very short. This company revenue is very short, and company overall figure is 2.109 trillion. In this chart, we can see that the PE ratio is 90.64. PS ratio is 2.53. So this is company summary. So let's have a look. The next is the company financial health. This is a previous year's financial health, 2018 to 2022. So in 2018, company in net income is good and revenue is almost good. So this condition is almost good. In 2019, company lost the revenue and generate the net income. In 2020, company condition almost is very well. So next is 2021. In 2021, company fall down in the downtrend because this line, this red line, tell the company is fall down in the downtrend. In 22, company again and more far down in the downtrend and generate revenue in very low figure, and net income is very low. So this is the company previous 4 to 5 year financial health. So are you understand? If you have any query or any question, put your comment in chat box. So let's have a what is next. So next we discuss the news, because news is very important when you buy a stock or when you spend your money in a company, because news told you what is the perfect condition and exact condition of this stock. So latest and important news of Wipro. On the last day, Wipro stock opened at 406.9 rupees. This is Indian rupees, and closed at 404.95 rupees. The highest price reached during the day was 425, while the lowest price was 405.9. The market capitalization of the company is 216,33,6.68 crore. The 52-week high for the stock is 44.65, and then 52-week low is 351.85 rupees. The stock had trading volume is 1068,854 share on the Bombay Stock Exchange. The Bombay trading the Wipro trading on the Bombay Stock Exchange. So the next news we will discuss is, India fourth largest software export. Wipro missed estimate Thursday, reporting flat fourth quarter net profit and pointing to uncertainties in the technology spending. However, the announcement of its second share buyback in as many years at the maximum 20% premium to the certain market price could cushion the expected decline in shares. So guys, be carefully and be attention, because this news is very, very important about the Wipro, because in this news, I'm told to is news impact and is news forecast. So be attention, listen carefully, watch carefully. So Wipro expected revenue to decline between 1% and 3% in the April-June quarter due to the negative demand outlook. This is lower than estimate from brokers such as Cockett, which had expected Wipro revenue to decline 1% to grow 1% during the period. Wipro net profit for the fourth quarter was 3074.5 rupees. The average of a survey of brokerage by EET had a forecast of 3.5%. Year-on-year increases in net profit. The company announced a share buyback worth 12,000 rupees at the price of 445 rupees per share, a 90% premium over Thursday. Price closing of 374.35 rupees on the BSE. The total amount of share authorized for repurchase would represent about 4.9% of total outstanding equity. In the past 8 years, Wipro has conducted for buyback, the last two in 2021 and 2019 through the trend process. In 2021, the software export bought back shares worth 9500 billion rupees at an offer price of 400 rupees a piece. The Bangalore-based company quarterly revenue was 23,190.3 billion rupees, up 11.2% year-on-year and down 0.6% quarter-on-quarter in the constant currency. So what is the impact of this news on Wipro? So let's have a discuss impact of this news. So looking ahead, we believe the Microeconomics environment will remain challenging in our industry. Many sectors are affected by the ongoing uncertainty of the economic environment. This has, of course, affected our business and our forecast. CEO Delaport said at a press conference following the financial result. He added that given the current microeconomics environment, the company is seeing some weakness in banking and financial service as well as in consulting. Delaport also said there is a slowdown in discretionary spending in some industries such as banking and financial service, retail and technology. The company also saw some shutdown, slowdown in project this quarter, but no cancellation. Utilities and healthcare, on the other hand, and performing very well. This means on the number follower similar comment from the market leader Tata Consultancy Services TCS and second place in Flores rating unfortunately in the client spending during the quarter, which was underscored by the project cancellation and reduction made by the colo caps of major bank and larger inflows in the technology sector. While TCS reported for fourth quarter revenue growth of 0.6% from the previous quarter, Inflows revenue fell 3.22%, while HCL Tech, the third largest software vendor, posted a 1.2% decline. So this is the impact of this news. So let's have a next. So next is first we discuss the news and then we discuss the impact of this news, and last we discuss the of this news company forecast and prediction. So what is company forecast and prediction? Wipro. Setting through time inflows forecast official 2024 revenue growth of 7%, the slowest in 6 years. For the full official Wipro net profit stood at Rs 11,350 crore, down 7.7 year-on-year on the revenue of Rs 19,487.6 crore, up 14.4%. The company Wipro expected revenue of the first quarter is well below expectation, indicating a more challenging business environment in the coming quarter. Mitul Shah, head of research Reliance Security, said in analyst note, Wipro quarterly operating margin was 16.3% in the quarterly, unchanged from the previous quarter, but down 17 basis points from a year ago. Net headcount growth is the quarter decreased by the 1,823 employees and to a total of 256,921 employees. The company attrition rate was 90.2% compared to 21.1% in the December quarter, while it was 23.8% last year. After the payback, the company said it is targeting more organic growth with $1.6 in the liquidity by the end of June. Merger and acquisition plans. Wipro booked 4.1 billion worth of order in the just ending 3 months period, up from $4.3 billion in December quarter. The company IT closed 55 major deals in financial year 23. The cumulative value of these deals was not disclosed. In financial year 22, the company had closed 37 major deals with a total value of more than $2.3 billion. a Europe a market struggling with the geopolitical tension, and Asia Pacific market grow 9.2% at 7.9% year-on-year, representatively in the fourth quarterly of the financial year. America's too, which include banking, securities, investment banking, insurance, manufacturing, high-tech energy, and utilize, and Canada grew 3.8% year-on-year. The American one region, which include healthcare and medical devices, consumer product and life sciences, retail, transportation and services, communication, media and information, services, technology, product and platform, and Latin America grew by 5.9%. So, guys, are you clear or are you understand? If you don't understand, if you have any query, any question, please tell me in the chat box. So next is in terms of sector mix, energy, natural resources and utilize and consuming lead the way with 14.6% and 11.1% year-on-year growth in the fourth quarter respectively. The technology sector declined by the 3%, while the BFSI sector increased by 3.6%. The company said it employs more than 80%. Variable communication on the average of fourth quarter. The payout to senior executive will be based on the performance of their business unit. So guys, this is the basic and important and hard news of Wipro and its impact and its forecast. So guys, are you clear or are you understand? So let's have a check is next. So next if we discuss or elaborate analysis of Wipro 2022 to 2021 annual report. Actually, this is the report of Wipro company 2022 to 2021. So, one on a year-on-year on a year-on-year basic operating income increased 1.3% during the year. The operating profit of the company increased during the financial year by 18.6%. Operating profit margin decreased and were 23.6% financial year 21 compared to 20.2% in financial year 20. Finance cost fell by 13.6%, while the depreciation change climbed by 32.5%. 7.2% year-on-year decrease was seen in other revenue. The net profit increased by 11.1% year-on-year. The year-on-year increase in net profit margin from financial year 2020 to 2021 was from 16.0% to 70.5%. So next, we discuss the annual report of Wipro is 2022 to 2023. First, we discuss the report is annual report is 2022 to 2021, and then and here we discuss the report of 2022 or 2023. So don't waste our time. So let's discuss the next report. The next report is on an annual basic operating income increased by the 14.1% over the year. Over the course of the financial, the company operating profit rose 1.0%. Year-over-year operating profit margin decreased down to 18.5% in the financial year from 20% at 20.9% in financial year 22. Finance cost went up by 89.2% year-over-year, while description charges went up by the 8.5%. The other income increased by 8.9% year-over-year. In terms of year-of-year, change net profit fell 7.2% from 15.4% in financial year 2022 to 12.6% in financial year 23. Net profit margin decreased during the net profit margin decreased during the course of the year. So guys, this is the annual report of Wipro. Annual report is 2022 to 2021 and 2022 to 23. So let's move the next. First, we clarify some basic question and their answer, and this is important because we know that is the thing that what kind of this company or what we can trade with this company or not. So now we discuss some answer and this question, because answer and this question is very important for your money and for your trade and for your time. Because when you trade, you consume your time, you spend your money, and you spend your feelings. So guys, let's have a first question. Why is Wipro stock going down? Analyze. So this question answer is analyze have attributed the fall in IT stock, especially Cipro, to the ongoing Russian-Ukraine war, the global economic slowdown, and the COVID-19 lockdowns, which affected the international business of the Indian IT firms during the period. So that's why the Wipro going down. Actually, in this question, that clarify this thing is, why is Wipro going down? And the reason is the Ukraine war, Russian and Ukraine war, and a lockdown of COVID-19. So let's have a look the next question, and the next question is, how does Wipro buyback affect share price? So this question answer is through the reduction of the company equity base, the repurchase would aid in a same financial ratio like in earning per share and return to equity. According to calculation made by the business following in the buyback, the APS will increase from Rs 20.73 to Rs 21.79, and TTMP will decrease from Rs 70.75 to Rs 16.89. So guys, are you clear? Clear means clear. Okay, so look at the next question. Next and third question. Is Wipro is good stock to buy now? And the answer, this is a very important question because in this question, clarify this thing. Wipro is good or not good to buy or sell or spend your money in trading. So this question answer is the price friendly analysis show that it is semi-strong, indicating that the price of Wipro Limited is probably going to rise somewhat in the near future. According to this answer, Wipro is secure in the future. So this is the fourth question. Well, Wipro is rise in future. So, this is a very, very important thing because this question and this question almost same, but this almost same, but this question condition is some different. So this question answer is yes. In a year, the price of Wipro Limited share can increase from 404.950 Indian rupees to 443.305 Indian rupees. So are you clear or not clear? So let's have a look at the next question. Question number 5. Is Wipro bullish or bearish? So, and answer is the 15 EMA exponential moving average show the stock price is certainly bullish and Wipro share price is also bearish. So guys, are you clear? These 5 questions. If you have any query or any question, any doubt, please tell me in the chat box. So guys, let's have a look. The next, so what is next? Next is Wipro stock market chart. So guys, this is the chart of previous last 1 month. So according to this chart, the Wipro previous 1 month, Wipro is goes down the falling. The Wipro show, according to this chart, the company show the downtrend. Look at this point. This point describe this company is falling down in downtrend. So guys, are you clear about this chart? So previous report of Wipro. Let's have a look the next chart. In this chart, the company in this chart, I will show you the company previous report 2012 to 2022. In 2002, the company report is very good, and 2004 company fall down in bad condition, and 2006 or 2008 company gained again good position, but after 2008 and 2009 company again fall down in the downtrend, but in 2010 company get the again good position, and 2010, 2012, 2014 and 2016 and 2018 and 2020 company grow down very in uptrend and bullish. So this is the chart of 2022. According to this chart and according to this point, company fall down in the downturn in a short period, but after that company get the again good position. So this is the previous chart of Wipro. According to this graph, the company may turn many times in falling down and many times goes into the uptrend. I think this is the simple thing because many companies face the thing. But here, important thing is how to face your problems, your stock queries, and how to manage your company, how to manage your experience, how to increase your profit, how to increase your position in the market. According to the history, I've seen this trading that the Wipro manage is all curious and all matters very nicely. And I think this thing is enough for a company to get a good position in the present or future. The Wipro all these qualities. I know in current situation, the Wipro face the many problems and downtrend, but it doesn't matter because if you have a capability, you pass all the problems. So guys, are you clear? So this is the Wipro, our first stock. And finally, we analyzed and discussed all the things, all the financial news in this stock. So guys, are you understand about this stocks and news and analyze? So next time, so now we discuss the next stock and what is next stock. So today our next stock is PNB Housing Finance. This is the India largest third company in the housing department. PNB Housing Finance, Ghar Ki Baat. Yeah, I like it because this is very good thing. Company review of impact and hidden things. So let's discuss the company review of the important and hidden things. The price of 540173 stock as of 23 July 17 Monday, $69.650. And according to our data, the assessed price has been rising for the past 12 years. Since the price of PNB Housing Finance stock has been rising, we assume that over the specific based on the deep learning that add our user determine whether 5540176 would make a good addition to their portfolio. These forecasts consider a number of forecasts, including volume changes, price changing, market cycle, and stock with the capability chartalized. After a year, our prediction project that stock will be traded at price of 69.70107163.398 a decrease of 0.008%. For example, if you were to invest $10 today on July 17, 2024, it might be worth $100.08. So this is the very, very good thing, because in this figure, the company said that if you spend the $10 in a 1 day, and after 1 day you get the $100, you get the 100.08 profit. So let's discuss the achievement and its impact on stock market. Over the past 6 months, the shares of PNB Housing Finance has returned 55.33%, constantly exceeding the benchmark Nifty 50 index, which has produced a return of 5.42% during the same period. According to regulatory filing the company made with the stock exchange, financial year 23 revenue was $494.95 crore, up to 22% from the previous year. Gross non-performing assets decreased from 8.13% in the same quarter previous year by 413 basic point to 3.83% as of March 31, 23. For a potential target above RS16 in the following 12 months, long-term investors can still consider purchasing the stocks now on dips. They claim PNB is a good investment, according to experts, because of its excellent valuation, high profit growth, and normalization of credit cost. So the expert is tell the according to the previous 12 month record, this company is very good. So next, what is next? Next we discuss the PNB news and its impact and its forecast. So first we discuss the news. The domestic housing sector is set to grow again in next 5 years after our several year, and housing finance company are well poised to take advantages to these opportunities supported by the sectoral reforms such as REAL and GST that have brought much needed transparency. PNB Housing Finance said it is in its 2021 to 2022 annual report. India showed declines and recovered quickly from pandemic-related challenges to emerge as one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. PNB Housing Finance Managing Director and CEO Hardayal Press said in his address to shareholders, after a hiatus of several years, the residential real estate market expected to grow over next 5 years. HFC will be able to take advantage of these opportunities. Consumers are more confident about their investment today, and we are confident that the housing sector offers great potential. Reformers in recent years, including the introduction of the Real Estate Regulatory Authority and the Goods and Services Tax, GST, Goods Services Tax, have led to greater transparency in the housing sector. Moreover, thanks to recent government policies and specific invitations, such as the production-linked incentive scheme, India is well positioned to become a manufacturing hub. So now we discuss that this news impact. So what is the impact of this news in PNB? This is turn will impact all sectors and help to country become a 5 trillion economy. Looking ahead, we believe that the Indian economy is in much better shape to cope with the external shocks committing in the company business performance in financial year 22. He said PNB Housing Finance made 97% of its total distribution of the retail segment, which is the line with its retail first strategy, which is the retail segment. We continue to explore our affordable housing profit fellow. We opened 24 locations to provide units loans with the strong distribution network underwriting capabilities and customer services unit. Loans are expected to play an important role in driving our growth. Citing an report by the company said real estate demand is likely to grow more modestly by the 5 to 10% in the financial year 23 to 20 financial year of 24. Considering the expected improvement in the microeconomic situation, a large number of people are expected to enter the home buying market. Success is also expect the NBFC and HFC. Affordable housing is expected to grow by 15 to 17% in financial year of 23. The rating agency PAS said the strategy profit fellow adopt in the last financial year will form basic from the company growth in the coming year. So this is the impact of this news in PNB company. So next we discuss the company forecast and prediction of this news. According to this news, we continued to focus on business growth and calculation while accelerating digital effort to drive efficiency. We made steady progress in this direction and future profit in the organization. As we move forward on our growth path, compliance and cooperative governance remain important area of us. So this is the forecast and prediction. So the main point is on the company capital increase plans. He said the board has approved a capital increase of up to 215 rupees through a right issues subject to necessary approvals. PNB Housing Finance, promoted by the city-based state-run Punjab National Bank, had to cancel to apply rise 4,000 rupees in a capital from a number of investors, including exciting investor circle group in financial year 22 as it ran into the regulatory hurdles. In the financial year ended March 22, the company net interest income stood at 1868.92 rupees compared to 22.91 rupees in financial year 21. Operating profit fellow declined 2% to 166.32 rupees, while net profit registered a 10% drop to 836.48 rupees. So this is the forecast and prediction of PNB Housing Company. So let's have a look this chart. This chart is previous 5 year PNB previous 5 year report. According to this chart, P and B show the very good condition because this company again and again in the downtrend, and very shortly this company falling in the downtrend. This company is good condition and again uptrend, not a downtrend. So here's the company achievement graph that company get in the previous year, and per P&B last fifth report for the company constantly generate dividends yield and market share. The company generate the good position constantly and make a good trust in our clients. So this is a very important and good thing that company make the trust in this clients. That we now during the chart looking some question and this answer. Now we discuss some question and this answer because question answer is very important when you buy a stock, when you trade in a stock, and when you spend your money and when you spend your time. So this is a very important. According to regularity, filling the question is what is the result of PNB Housing Finance 2023? So this question answer is according to the regularity, filling the company made with the stock exchange financial year 23 revenue was $495 crores, up to 22% from the previous year. Gross non-performing assets decreased from the 8.13% in the same quarter previous year by 433 basic point to 3.83% as of March 31, 23. So, what is the next question? Next question is PNB Housing Finance branch and outlets. PNB Housing Finance wide-reaching 189 branches network throughout 138 different cities in the India. It means PNB have 189 to 338 branches, 189 branches and 138 different cities in India. So what is the company future goals and his achievement? So this answer is given the lack of affordable housing, the government drive from the home ownership and the expansion of financial options, the affordable housing industry can certainly value at the Rs 4 trillion is projected to rise at 15% CAGR over the next year. So this is the company forecast and prediction to the next 10 years. According to this chart, company makes 11.95% and current is 20.00% and current is 643.40%. So this is the company forecast and company prediction for the next 10 years. The exchange rate at 23,770, it quite 619,650 Indian rupees. The PNB Housing Finance Limited stock price prediction for 2028 is 787.230 Indian rupees based on our estimate, which anticipate in a long term, again, the anticipate the return on investment over a 5-year period is announced plus 27.04%. In 2028, the investment of $100 to the maybe yield is 127.04. PNB interest income increased by the 23.6% to $338 crores. Well, net interest income increased by the 70.6% year of year to 9,179 crores. Net interest margin explanation of 11.8% and the sequential increase to the 3.13%. What is the main drive of growth? So guys, this is the overall news, review, and all the things that I'm described with you and I'm explained with you. So last, almost our video is complete. So in the last, I'm recommended you something, some point, because when you trade in a stock, you spend your money, and your money is very important. I don't like, and I don't like you waste your money, you waste your time. So my recommendation and advice is to beginner and expert is success is trading is not determined by the luck, by the discipline, previous and ability to learn from failures. This is very important thing that to learn from failures. Every trade is every trade is an opportunity to grow and improve. Embrace the challenges and stay motivated to achieve your financial goals. Trading requires patience and a strong mindset. Remember, it's not about making quick profit, but making informed decision based on analyze and strategy. Believe on your trading, believe on your abilities, and believe on yourself. Stay focused, stay motivated, and success will follow. So guys, this is the over to the session, over to the video. So if you have any query or any question, please tell me in the chat box. So till then, the next session and the next video. So take care of yourself. So bye-bye.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm just so tired because today I made the video 47 minutes.